We're going to start this right cable because the right cable has the second 2 stitches go over the front, over the first 2, which are the back stitches, right? The first 2 are going to be the back stitches. So we're going to cross the right hand needle over those first 2 and stick it through the second set of stitches, the stitches which are going to be the front stitches. So now your front stitches are on the right hand needle. The left hand needle is going to pull out from all the stitches and then slip right back into the back stitches. And you're going to use your right fingers to hold everything in place while that happens. You're just going to smoothly pull the left hand needle out from all 4 stitches and then put it back into the back stitches. So now you have the front stitches on the right hand needle and the back stitches on the left hand needle. Now put those front stitches back over onto the left hand needle. And now all 4 cable stitches are ready to work. So the front are first, so knit those front stitches. And then the back are second, so I'm going to knit those, but you might be purling those if your pattern tells you to. Purl the back stitches. So that's 2 right over 2. So a right cable 2 over 2 without a cable needle.